Okay, so let's look at this easy rock and roll piece. It's in B flat, and I'll play it first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's start with the chords, and the first one is a B flat chord. It's a B flat 6 chord. If you know your theory, it's got the 6th note in, which is the G. So a normal B flat 6 chord is this: B flat, D, F and G. What I'm going to do is to brighten the chord up by moving the bottom note to the top. So that B flat, I'm going to take it up and put it at the top. So it's still the same notes, but it's an inversion, what's called an inversion. So that's the first chord, B flat 6. Next chord is an E flat 7, which is like this. So if you compare the first chord and the second chord, my thumb, the bottom note, is going to change from a D to a D flat. And then I don't need to play the F in the middle, and I get this one. Okay, so these two chords are quite similar, but it makes it quite easy to play because you don't have to move around the keyboard too much. So let's just recap that. So the first chord, B flat 6. Second chord, E flat 7. So it goes from there. And then back to the B flat again. Then there's the bit later on which goes like this. That bit. And that chord is a C minor 7. C, E flat, G, B flat. And the final chord is this E flat chord. So it goes like this. Final chord. And then we're back to B flat again. So I'll quickly go through that. B flat, then it changes to E flat 7, back to B flat, C minor 7, E flat in the right hand, back to B flat. So you have those stabs at the end, which are a syncopated rhythm. So what does the left hand do? It follows the chords, so it's a B flat chord to start off with. B flat, D, F and G. And then the right hand does the offbeat. This style's really popular with ska and reggae and blues and swing. It may take a while for you to get used to it, but it's a really nice rhythm to play. So the left hand is the on beat, 1, 2, 3, 4. The right hand is the off beat, 1, off, off, off. Okay. So the left hand, we've got the B flat part of it, which is... So when the right hand changes to the E flat chord, you're going to play a similar pattern. That's E flat, G, B flat and C. And you'll notice the left and the right hand are quite close together. Don't worry about that. You're not actually touching. But it gives it a nice close sound. So once you've done the E flat on the left hand, you go back to the B flat, same thing. And for the C-7 chord, you do an ascending line, which is this, starting on the C. So C, D, E flat, E natural, F, then come down, E flat, D, C. Do that again. Back to the B flat.